Surprise! Congratulations, madam. I'm looking forward for a good business deal.
It's my pleasure. Excuse me, madam. I am a business partner. Mami kebi bincho. Tinatet venikeno. So we use wa. Esiesi ho. Emma hoye kama. Emma hoye obe mwa. Je na ko try she.
Thank you, Tinatet Venicare.
Tinatet Venicare is an oral tonic for maintaining vaginal hygiene, not recommended for children below 12 years. Pregnant or lactating mothers should consult a doctor.
My mama kwa ba de ba Ghana TV eso producer samodo ya bobo ano ye de ebe so mo kase bo kwanso wei eye kase bo te o hwa me live YouTube Facebook and Instagram so any day can watch me subscribe like na share ema unu bi o ba bi entimi enhwe bi mi amaje bre America se bo yi ebe so mo eye me da che hima ajoa na ti afeye Africa se bo no ase Ababa we bia wenya efinhia aduonu anan ede na kosem ababeda social media en wechem se emre bi etwemu na brabo ayedin amani yie pa chese eniama enkoso wo ye obi a wo ye janka chese owonuanom nketua na sikasam ho ayedin di owom bedi kura nso asan ayedin na sabre no na owadamfo bi a chese ekwan na bia ma no eniama esi ni ye wo ni sika bi inti wode ne haw yi ekodan na damfo no ema na damfo ne ne se wono wokote ne ho wo baabi a chese wokoye purification ye nyankoma de no na aboa ama ekwan no etimi bi ama na niama etimi esi ni ye sade a wode no ebekọ ho ama wono nso wakoye sa purification yi bi na baba we kire musa waje pene wote ase zanze na eniama enkoye nti wote ase se say purification kwade a wono nso ebekọ na ono nso akwakoye bi na damfo yi ede no etu ya kopie mu wo eye etifidu mantam tamale na wode no ekopie ya chese wokohia dinsini bi ma dinsini ya haban ne niamaniama mani dwale ma oye nyankomade wode nansa ene yesa niama nyina ede emma no na bra nansa no edru ya chese wo mo awie bibia wonim senka ebredu se wo mo ebeba enkran no ene yesa dinsini akire ne se ansa na nyankomade a wayama ni ebetimi ewie peye na ekwan no etimi ebiama no age one no ada a chese age wama ne ho kwan ama wetimi se dinsini etimi afa no na eno ena ebetimi aboa ma ekwan no ebie ama no na abaye yi ekire mu ana sabra no so no woye obabu no oye oba ohun be ma da woni be ma bia enya empemu agro bi da wondi sa empemu agro yi da inti dinsini ne kasa no eyade se eye ne din enso no na ohia sika esanse no wo wa ho kire mu nti wogitu mu se eno ene betimi aboa ama bibia wie ne peye de a wo beye wenya ahyase wenya de niti ajimu dada obeye na abaye ajepene ema woni dinsini ekokoda yampa na abra woni dinsini ekoda ye wieye wo baye ebedu nkran pe na obehia eye MP bi a chese beye na wotwe miensa ntemu pepepe na MP ebo modern eto ka ye Range Rover de eche no eno echi dinsini ye MP ebo modia ekoto efia kese efie kakra esanso ede eche no ka ho achese wutimi hu se ebedu ho ne di eniama atoto so chese bibia da ne kwan mu sika aba ama sese no enije abefie wenye bi ede ehwe ni nuano mu nketo achese enije abefie na beye buso memiensa ntemu pepepe eno hu se enkaboni bi ahyase efri na se eba asa nkaboni odwen wa wanti ase ohun ba bi efri ba ne one se sika de sika wo kwa hospitals ahodo doctor fo ekoye hwehwemu hwe wo se bibie ni wo se nkaboni efri ho eba ene wash ahodo perfumes ahodo no wo to no wo de ye ho tila sanka boni enya de se eti akokora che se enka boni ya no ye de ya ma ogina nipa mu kura wo bia etimi eti sanka boni ya efri nase ebe che se wo ye ho hwea enye ye ne asofofo no wode dan wo mo okọ ha no woko program we no woko prayers we no woko asori we na dako enna okọ asori program bi enna nyankopon ebie wo sofo nani ema sofo no ehu ye no wo kire ne se sa enkaboni ya efri na se eba no eyade se efri abra na wone okonfo no anase dinsini no ekoda ye no sa enanimu na sa enkaboni no efri eba na wo pese enkaboni no etu asie ne ejai krakra dia na wo se wotimi eto na hunyade anase ni sika na wenya no wo se wodi ni nyina eche no wasansi ni dade mu biem abaye iti sa semi anya ne de sanse ahunchire wafemu amwa no na sanyame aye nadum no wakoye purification ne konfo akoda na sika ye timi aba kwan be nso no wokofa na wodi sa ahunya nyina akoche no asabesi ni dade mu asabetena ahunchire ni hiemu wose debi wote ase a enye yie nanso wo hu ne se wanye ne sanso enka bone ne kwa na ekosoro ama sesei no wontimi ne be ma bia enhia ye chese akoye na kotamu abaye wodwenwa wonte ase wo hu ne onye abaye ekire ne nsamu seye.
I'm a 24-year-old lady who lost my biological parents at the age of 5. Fortunately for me, there was a kind lady that took me in and took care of me together with her child.
Okay.
We also lost her. Now, after her death, we had to struggle. Every day was a challenge, so we had to be doing menial jobs to make ends meet. We had this friend that was living a very luxurious life. She was rich, she was comfortable, she looked good.
Always. We all have those friends.
True. We were envious of her and decided that why not ask her how she's living life, how did she get to that point in the first place? And she told us that she visited the northern region.
Okay.
And did some purifications. And at the end of the day...
She went to the north to purify herself.
Yes, please. And at the end of the day, she got the money and everything.
Whoa.
And then for us, we were thinking, oh, if it's just purification, I mean, that is really nothing we could do.
I mean, purification, you just think about taking a bath with some leaves or something, right?
So, I mean, together with my half sister, we decided that we'll go, but I think she got cold feet and she opted out. But for me, I was still with the idea that it was just purification, so why not? It was supposed to be a 7-day trip. And our rich friend advised that when we are traveling, on our way there, we take a bus.
Okay.
But when returning, we use flight.
Okay.
That was the condition she gave, and I was fine with it. So I packed up and went there. 7 days. There was incantations here and there. The name of purification. On the 7th day, however, the fetish priest was like, there was one last thing I had to do to fill the whole purification thing. Come to think of it, what at all would it be? Only for me to find out that I had to sleep with a priest, which was considered a seal.
You had to sleep with a priest?
Yes, please.
A man?
Yes, please.
Young or old?
I mean, middle-aged.
Okay.
Yes. And considering the fact that I was a virgin, it was quite painful.
You were a virgin?
Yes, please. It was quite painful to think that my first experience is with a fetish priest.
Not a man you love or adore.
No chemistry.
Yeah.
But, I mean, I didn't want to live the life my friend was living, so I was like, if it's just one night,
something's gotta give.
Yes. So, I gave in.
How was it? I mean, he would talk to you and then he did it all. Did you kiss?
It was boring, you know, but I felt like
he just did it.
Yes.
So was it at a shrine or in a bedroom or something?
The shrine, Miss Nancy.
At the shrine?
The shrine.
With the gods looking
yes.
on?
Apparently it's all part of the incantation, so yes, it took place at the shrine.
Shrine.
Yes.
So on my way back, my friend told us to take the flight.
Yeah.
This was me. I took the flight and wow, I met this handsome looking MP. He's actually an MP. And you know, he gave me his business card and we started talking. Now we started.
No, the miracles have started happening.
Exactly. So we started dating, and 3 weeks into the relationship, he got me a Range Rover Vela.
Range Rover Vela.
Yes, please.
This year,
3 months later, he bought 3 fully furnished apartments in my name. I didn't ask for it. He just thought, I mean, she's my girlfriend, let me get it for her. Now, I mean, everything was super rosy. I was enjoying it. I was like, wow. I mean, that night was worth it after all.
I mean, at that point, when the 3 furnished apartments came in your name, didn't you think this is too good to be true?
I mean, I felt like maybe what I lost was the reason why I was getting all those things.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
It makes business sense,
yes.
right?
So I was excited. I was, you know, happy and all that.
You would be.
Now, 3 months later, that is when the trouble began. I started feeling, you know, very uncomfortable. My private part was given this bad odor. Like, it's the one that when you're close to someone, they can smell it.
Oh my
God. So naturally, it makes you not get close to people. And I mean, as a lady, I'm like, oh, there are feminine washes over there. I could use some and I'll be fine. But I tried it and it was to no avail. Not 1, not 2,
it's
but
not
several.
working. But have you been to the hospital?
So yes, I visited gynecologists. Not just, one gynecologist, several. But then they were like, oh, there's nothing. So they're wondering why there's a smell coming, which is that bad. So
you had a test and they could not find anything wrong with you. Yet you still had that bad odor.
Yes, please. And I had to live with it for 3 solid years.
3 years?
3 years.
Were you still with your MP boyfriend?
I mean, yes, but yes, thank you. So I was with him, but we couldn't have sexual intercourse because it was so strong that the moment we were about having it, it's like a turn-off. So
for him?
Yes, so like...
But he still kept you around?
Yes.
Wow.
So,
what a good man.
I mean, after the 3 years down the lane, I happened to be at a church program, and the pastor told me that something I did in the past, and he actually gave a vivid explanation that it was actually because I slept with a fetish priest. That is why I was having that bad odor emanating from my private part. Now, he gave a solution actually. Very simple. People may think. He said that if I was ready to let go of all the riches I have currently, every single thing, the odor will go away. I mean, Miss Nancy, I feel like I've been enjoying this money. Like, it's super nice, it's super cool. Like, life has been so comfortable. And I wouldn't want to go back to the days where I had to be struggling with my sister. Because now that I got comfortable...
it's not a good thing.
Yes. Now that I got comfortable, I've been able to help my sister and everything. So I feel like losing everything would be very difficult. We are going back to square one. But then, if I don't lose it, that smell is also not going to go away. Yes. And I also don't feel comfortable living with it. Right now, I'm in a dilemma. I really need help. I really need some.
Oh, darling, you do need help. There is money.
Na chese akwaye pinso we di aye pinso abeye edwen ho a wonte ase sa wode na honya eche ne wasan so abedi hia ahokyere na epiepia no ama wokoye sade yi wo sa betena ahokyere yi mu se ebeye yie ni ahokyere beye yie ni ahokyere beboa ono so se sike ya beso ni dem se we hu tilapia akase re we hu ntade akase hyehye we hu mpobo akase hyehye sike yi wo bejama nako no abedi hia ebeye yie ni abaye se na kosemuni fa wo comment eja ase ho de wo dwen de wo pesa abaye eye fa to ase ho emma me ye be kenkan e de amanu fa wo futu so eto comment section no e de ma me like na share ma wonu ebi so entimi enkyere na dwen e fa sasemi ho ebuzu ha na brama kwan me ye de kase boyi ebesi ye de ameje so eye da chehima ajoa nati asida kese enkoma glitter and glow skin Kinaata herbal and Janelle organic foods dedi ho enkoma production crew wa woje brand so ahwe men so medase papa makram
Tribulus terrestrix, Kayani, Panex Caltrop, Jingo Bilaba. Sawa di nuya maboboswina, and when you are setting at 230 album, we are Bema now no more, and Mama who this from Kuma who drown us to me, Bajuma, and more energy, stamina, and vitality, and Fawunia Juma, and one is our Banumbi, but Bajuma Saum Reda, Kinaata 230 Heba, a young conqueror. Power to the people, Mitra 230. So our what feeling? How down me back? Kinaata 230 Herbal.
Kinaata 230 Herbal is a full supplement for rejuvenation and vitality. And no sa ebra offer sa edrowi. Oba awafa yefunu. Ne all man e banofo. Any akola ondi in fear do watching.